A blockchain is a growing list of records, called blocks, that are linked together using cryptography. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous block, a timestamp, and transaction data, generally represented as a Merkle tree. The timestamp proves that the transaction data existed when the block was published in order to get into its hash. As blocks each contain information about the block previous to it, they form a chain, with each additional block reinforcing the ones before it. Therefore, blockchains are resistant to modification of their data because once recorded, the data in any given block cannot be altered retroactively without altering all subsequent blocks. Blockchains are typically managed by a peer-to-peer network for use as a publicly distributed ledger, where nodes collectively adhere to a protocol to communicate and validate new blocks. Although blockchain records are not unalterable as forks are possible, blockchains may be considered secure by design and exemplify a distributed computing system with high Byzantine fault tolerance. Types of blockchain. 1. Public, has absolutely no access restrictions. Anyone with an internet connection can send transactions to it as well as become a validator. Usually, such networks offer economic incentives for those who secure them and utilize some type of a proof of stake or work algorithm. 2. Private, is permissioned. One cannot join it unless invited by the network administrators. The terminology is distributed ledger, DLT, is normally used for private blockchains. 3. Hybrid, combination of centralized and decentralized features. 4. Sidechains, a designation for a blockchain ledger that runs in parallel to a primary blockchain. Entries from the primary blockchain, where said entries typically represent digital assets, can be linked to and from the sidechain. This allows the sidechain to otherwise operate independently of the primary blockchain.